This video is to show you how to save an Excel file as a CSV file. The List Marketer software does require CSV files or text files for all imports. One of the most common issues we see is that customers will try to import an Excel file, which will cause the import to fail. For example, you can see here this XLSX file was marked as failed by the software. To save your Excel sheet as a CSV file, we start in Excel. Note that this is a Mac version of Excel, but regardless of your operation system or version of Excel, the next steps are relatively the same. Navigate to the File, Save As option. From here you can give your file a new name. You will select comma separated value or .csv. Note that you can also select tab delimited text, which is a .txt format, and the software will import that as well. In general, the CSV tends to work better for most customers. From here, hit Save, and you may get some kind of error. That is normal and okay to ignore, telling you some features supported by Excel aren't supported by a CSV file. Then you can go ahead and exit out of this file. You will get the same error. It's okay to ignore. What I like to do is check the file I just saved. You can see here it is the sample data for import as a CSV file with some kind of text editing program. With Windows, that will likely be Notepad. With Mac, it is called Text Edit. Either will work. Open the file, make sure everything looks normal and is comma separated, and in this case, it is. Once you verify that the CSV file is ready, you can navigate to the Subscribers, Import Subscribers page like normal. Choose the mailing list, the import format, or auto-detect the format, and then choose the new CSV file. You'll notice that the extension over here says comma separated values. From there, the import should finish like normal, and the subscribers should be added to the list. You can see in this case, the job finished successfully. A quick note, if your Excel file does have two tabs, for example, this sheet had data on the first and second tab, each tab has to be saved as a separate CSV file, or you can copy and paste the data onto one tab, and then save as one CSV. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.